Hey guys, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can upload Snapchat Spotlight. So I'm going to be teaching you a very easy step regarding this one. So if you have any problems or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. Now without any further delay, let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is you need to go to your Snapchat app and then log in with your account. Once you do that, just go to Spotlight option on your bottom right corner. Once you're over here on your top right corner, you'll be having this plus icon. Just go over here and now choose you want to create or you want to upload a video. So I'm just gonna go with the upload a video. Now it will open the camera roll, and now just you can choose any one. So let me just choose this one. And if you want to trim it, just trim it and just press OK and preview it, and then now just press on plus, preview it, and then send. So over here it says clips to reach 5 seconds, so the limit is 5 seconds. So once you fulfill the requirement, just press on like post and you will post, or let's say upload Snapchat Spotlight. So that's how you're gonna do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.